We have just received a new report from the controversial Defenders of Man. They claim that more Zerg attacks are imminent, and Emperor Valerian has refused to take necessary action to protect civilians. General Davis has supported the Emperor, while Magistrate Grayson says this could mean the worst for Valerian's regime.
Nova, I'm glad to see you made it here safely.
The Defenders of Man didn't make it easy.
No, not for either of us. Yet if we work together, I believe we can stop them, before they tear apart the Dominion.
And your rule.
I am not the man my father was. I wish to serve a greater good. I think we have that much in common. This ship is at your disposal, along with my covert ops crew. You will lead them. All I ask in return is your loyalty.
You have it.
I was hoping you'd say that. Reigel? Your new weapons and technology specialist. He has something for you.
Our scans show that your memories have been altered, but it may still be possible to recover them. This device sends an electric pulse through your neural inhibitor. The process is unpleasant, but it can restore recent memories.
I'll be fine. It's not working. I just keep seeing the city where I grew up. But it's destroyed. Covered in creep. I shouldn't remember it that way. I never went back after the Zerg attacked.
Or perhaps you did.
Why would the Defenders of Man operate out of Tarsonis?
A good question. Go there and find out.
Tarsonis City. So this is what's left of it.
There's no time for nostalgia. The Defenders of Man are entrenched below these ruins. You should infiltrate their base while avoiding the feral Zerg.
I'm beginning to understand why Valerian didn't want to do this himself. Alright, I'll start garrisoning soldiers around the area. They'll keep the ground secure while I head into the Defenders facility.
You'll need some special upgrades for this. It happens that I've been adapting the jump jets for use with our factory vehicles.
You've got to be kidding. That's incredible.
It's science. Use it well, and we shall find what we're looking for. Our forces can utilize the best technology. Now, choose an upgrade for it. Naturally, your selections are not permanent, so you may change them as needed. Do remember, each upgrade can only be applied to one unit at a given time. Other than that, it is quite simple. How interesting. Zerg infestations have formed over the garrison entrances. You'll need to clear them away to gain access.
Let's move. We won't be safe until our soldiers are in position.
SCV ready. Big jump.
Confirm that last. Consider it done. I'll make it happen.
SCV ready.
Say again.
Lay it on me. In the rear with the gear. SCV ready.
I'm reading.
Go ahead.
Add-on complete.
Move it.
Confirm that last.
Speak up.
Nova here. On the move.
SCV ready.
Say again. Loud and clear.
Look lively. The feral Zerg have noticed you.
And here I thought I was being quiet.
SCV ready. Big job, huh? Move it. Uh-huh.
Status. Say again.
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
Confirm that last.
SCV ready.
Additional supply depots required.
Will do.
Not enough minerals.
Go ahead. In the rear with the gear.
Say again.
SCV ready.
Loud and clear.
Been waiting on you. Got no patience. Go ahead.
Not enough.
SCV ready. Want a piece of me,
There's
boy?
an infestation. And it's even more disgusting than I expected.
You best destroy it quickly.
Not enough minerals.
Got a hole. What's our target?
Not enough minerals. Additional supply depots required.
Big job, huh?
Not enough minerals.
SCV ready.
Loud and clear. Strictly business.
SCV ready.
Confirm that last.
Not enough minerals.
Arm, go ahead.
I'm afraid more Zerg are on the way. Prepare for a fight.
Well, we didn't come here for fun, did we? Say again.
Got no.
Nova here.
Lay it on me.
Status report.
Ready to roll out. SCV ready. Let's go ahead.
Nuclear missile ready.
Go ahead.
Nova, I have completed preparations for a nuclear strike. You may call it down when needed.
Excellent work, Reigel. Never know when I'm gonna find myself outnumbered. Time to clean him out.
Base is under attack.
Yep. We here.
Confirm that last.
Additional supply depots required.
Status report. Loud and clear. Acknowledged. Say again.
In the rear with the gear. I can't build here. Move it. I can't build here.
that last. Got it.
Big job. Bad news. Go ahead.
Okay. The infestation's gone. We're ready to get some forces set up here. Nova here. Loud and clear.
By the numbers, boys.
I'm reading you.
Who wants some? Arm?
Nova here. Execute. The first garrison is good to go. Should help us hold off these Zerg.
This better be good.
Confirm that. Say again?
Kaboom, baby!
Nova here.
By the numbers.
Status report. On the move.
SCV ready. Will do. Move it.
Confirm that last. Execute.
Gangway. Coming through.
Got it.
Nova, I've been tracking a Defenders of Man cargo ship near our position. It has fallen under attack by the Zerg.
Any survivors?
Some Dominion prisoners of war. They'll need help evacuating.
I'm on it.
You scared me. Fueled up, ready to go. Armed and ready. Gotcha. I'm going.
Confirm that last.
Gangway. Coming through.
Say again?
Been waiting on you.
I'm reading you. On the move.
Armed and ready.
Zerg activity is increasing across multiple hives. You appear to have caused quite a bit of trouble.
I'm good at that.
I just hope you're good at getting out of it.
Give us something. Big job, huh?
Base is under attack.
Yeah, whatever. Go ahead. By the numbers, boys. This better be good.
Not enough minerals.
Consider it done. Loud and clear. On the move.
Armed and ready.
I'm reading you.
Ready to roll out.
Upgrade complete.
Status report.
Not enough minerals.
Loud and clear.
Nuclear missile ready.
Say again? En route.
Oh, it's on. SCV ready.
Status report.
You gonna give me orders?
Base is under attack.
Say again?
Gangway, coming through. You want a piece of me, boy? Bad news.
Nova here. En route.
Speak up.
Say again? Got it.
Nuclear missile ready.
Go, go, go. Lay it on. Who wants some?
Say again? Status report. I've located the survivors. They're in good shape, so they'll be joining us in the fight ahead. The defenders had schematics here, too. I'll send them your way.
Better be good.
How interesting.
Executing. I'm reading you. Nova here.
Boys. Go ahead. I'm in deep.
Got it.
Insufficient Vespine gas.
SCV ready.
Status report. Executing. Done. Strictly business. Loud and clear.
Ready to roll out.
En route. Time to clean them out.
Got no patience.
I'm reading you.
Upgrade complete.
Confirm that last. Acknowledged. Strictly business.
Speak up. Can do. Give up. What's that? Need something.
Base is under attack.
Ready to roll out. What's that? Rolling. Speak up. Give us something. Got no patience.
Confirm that last. I'll make it happen.
Load up.
Status report.
Go ahead.
Confirm that last. Say again.
Give us your best shot.
Status report.
Speak up.
Confirm that last. I'll make it happen.
Got no pain. Give us your best shot.
Acknowledged.
The Grim Reaper has arrived. All right.
Status report. Executing.
Take caution. My scans show that enemies are flying toward us from the southeast.
Reaper has arrived. In the rear with the gear. Yo.
Another garrison is full. Nicely done. Reading you. Confirm that last.
The Grim Reaper. You want a piece of me, boy? Go ahead. Gotcha. My goose is getting cooked. Gangway, coming through.
Strictly business. Loud and clear.
Ready to roll out. Go, go, go.
Confirm that last.
Don't leave me hanging. Just go on. Say the word, baby. Oh, it's on.
Nova here.
Give us some.
Confirm that last.
Go on.
Nova here. On the move. There's one more garrison out of the way.
It's go time. Huh? What's going on? Bad news? Big in the rear.
Confirm that last. Loud and clear. En route. Status report. Status report. Executing.
What's that?
En route. I'll make it happen. Strictly business.
You want a piece of me, boy?
Oh, it's on.
Nuclear missile ready.
Say the word, baby.
Say again?
Just say where.
Consider it done. Executing. Time to clean him out.
Armed and ready.
Say again?
Gateway coming through.
I'm reading you. I'll make it happen. On the move.
You want a piece of me, boy? You got it.
I'm reading you. This garrison's set. Now we just have one left.
My goose is getting cooked. Speak up!
Say again?
Base is under attack.
We could use some help here.
En route.
Go ahead.
I'm reading. Confirm that last. Status report. Nova here. Say again?
Big job, huh?
I'm reading you. Status report.
Gangway coming through. Been waiting on you.
Confirm.
This better be good. Who wants some? SCV ready. Been waiting on you. You gonna get...
Confirm that last.
Ready to roll out. SCV ready.
On the move.
Base is under attack.
Your little expedition is nearing a Zerg hive. This could end quite badly.
Status report. Got it.
May I remind you that we are not here to destroy the Zerg. I know you grew up on this world, but we cannot let our personal affairs get in the way of the mission.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
Nova here.
Ready to roll out.
Confirm that last. Got it.
Nuclear missile ready.
I'm reading you. Consider it done. Aim the target.
I'm in deep. The Grim Reaper. Certainly done.
Nova here. Acknowledged. En route. I'm reading.
What's our target?
Strictly business. Nova here. Status report. Nova here.
The Grim Reaper has arrived.
I'm reading. Consider it done.
Give us!
Status report. Strictly business. Confirm that last. Confirm that last. Consider it done.
Nuclear missile ready.
Got something for me to kill.
The perimeter's in place. I'm switching to infiltration gear and going in. What the hell are they up to here? Wait, I recognize that.
Oh?
Weapon storage. It's some kind of energy sword prototype. Looks useful.
You should let me examine it.
Of course. After some field testing. I'll make it happen. Loud?
My scans indicate that there's a communications hub ahead.
I'll check it out.
Oh God, what was that? There's a ghost here. Report to command.
Consider it done.
Form up for patrols. Vigilance is our highest. Oh God, what was that?
On.
Damn it! Who did this?
Energy? Nice. Loud and clear. En route. I'll make it happen. Who is that? Executing.
Hell, she's gone already.
Got it.
Who is that?
Acknowledged. I'll make it happen. Consider it done. Strictly business. Got it. On the move. Acknowledged. I think I found something. Read it. You were right, Reigel. It is the comms room. Let's listen in.
We have a security breach. All personnel should evacuate immediately so we can scrub the facility. I think this might be an extreme measure. No, I understand. This is bigger than we are. I will finalize the preparations.
They're shutting down. I don't have much time to get answers. Find out where he's going. Acknowledged.
There may be another communication terminal further along. My scans are inconclusive.
It's a good enough lead for now. On the move.
Run! I'll fight the intruder.
strictly business.
Evacuation ships ready to go. Everyone out!
On the move. Got it.
The emitter's activated. Go, go, go!
A psi emitter? How did they get a hold of one of those?
You don't have long to find out. It's drawing Zerg into the facility.
Executing.
Hold this sector until they're done. I'll give the order when it's time.
Not enough energy.
Loud and clear.
Head to the shuttles, now!
They're rushing out of here.
That might be their first sensible course of action.
Recharge.
Warning. An unrestrained Zerg presence has been detected in the facility. All personnel report to emergency stations.
Large numbers of Zerg are mobilizing. Their emitter seems to be highly effective.
Strictly business. There's an overseer here. I'd better avoid it. You weren't kidding. There are Zerg everywhere, Reigel. Got it. I'll make it happen. Loud and clear.
The enemy is here. We must hold.
I'll make it happen.
I've located the communication terminal. It's just beyond your present location.
So that's why they're all here.
I sense something. The perimeter is failing. I will recall forces on your order, Nova.
Do it. I can get out of here myself after I catch this guy. He's just ahead.